Hey everyone, welcome. It's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? So today I'm going to show you my blanket. I don't know if some of the newer people who subscribed have seen it yet, but I thank you so much for subscribing and for being here. And of course, thank you to everyone who's been here since day one or in between. So I was working on a blanket last winter, the winter of 21-22, and it all started because Doris from Rose Cottage Studio, she used to have a channel. She had sent me some yarn and it was so pretty that I decided to purchase some more and make a blanket. So I'll show you that in a bit, and I'll tell you the yarn and stuff that it is. Oh, and I got Happy Mail. I know I've had it for a little while now and I haven't been able to show it. So I'm going to show it today, if you don't mind. Okay. So this is from Clarita from California. Hi, Clarita. I'm sorry. Hi. All right. So this is a beautiful Christmas card. Oh, so nice. It says peace, bless, love, and it's a Christmas tree. That is so nice. Thank you. And then she wrote, let's see here. The card itself says, may you be blessed with the trimmings and treasures of a beautiful Christmas season. And then Clarita wrote, Darla, I truly love your videos and your beautiful patterns. Wishing you happy holidays. Your yarny friend, Clarita. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you had a good Christmas, and hope you have a happy new year. And thank you so much for thinking of me and sending this all the way to Canada. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next one, okay, I'm not sure who this is from, but it's from Colorado. It's so cute. Oh my god, you know what? Oh my goodness, where's my Santa? You can see his legs. Oh my goodness, you know what? I think this is my Santa. Look at that. Wow. That is so cute. All right. Did you base this card on my skinny Santa? Okay. So the card itself says, have yourself a merry little Christmas and jolly good times all year. Okay, so this is from, Cindy and Pixie, Life and Yarn Tangled. She wrote, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Yarny Love. Cindy and Pixie, Life and Yarn Tangled. She has a channel, so I'll link it below. Make sure you guys go and check her out. Thank you so much. I can't get over those sadness. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Cindy and Pixie. Oh dear. Okay. I just love getting anything. I love getting anything. Or being able to show you guys things that I get or that I buy or whatever. All right, so let's take a look at the blanket. I just did a video clip of it because it's on the bed. Yeah. It's on the bed. All right, so let's watch that clip. I color controlled the body of the blanket. I did not color control the edging though. And the first row of the edging you can see is looks white, it may be off-white, I can't remember, but I just put that all the way around the blanket before I added the border. And the border is just the granny stitch. So this blanket fits a double-sized bed. Look at that stitch. I have a tutorial for that stitch. I'll link it. I think this blanket turned out really nice. It's very, very comfortable and it's warm. And not only that, it is kitty approved. That's my little Minnie. Oh, and both of them there, Huggles and Minnie. So what do you think? The cats like it. Huggles and Minnie, they like it. All right, so as I was saying at the beginning, Doris from Rose Cottage Studio had sent me these Sweet Roll Frosties. She sent me 6, I believe it was. They are 5 ounces, 140 grams, 245 yards, 224 meters, made by Premier. And I thank you so much, Doris. They are medium 400% acrylic, and the color was sugar plum. And such a pretty color. Made in Turkey, machine wash warm, tumble dry normal. All right, so she sent me, let's see here, 6, I think. So I have, oh my goodness, my label's all upside down and all around. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She sent me 6. And I thought it was such a pretty color and pretty colorway, and I thought, you know, as soon as I see yarn, those colors, those pastel colors, I think of babies. But this time I thought of adults. Why not? So I decided to make myself a blanket. So that was 6 rolls she gave me, and I bought 8 more. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. So it took 14 takes to make that blanket. It fits about a double bed. And I used a 6mm. Actually suggests, what does it suggest? 5.5mm hook and a 5.5mm knitting needle. So I used my 6 to make the yarn go a little further. Yeah. And yeah, so the stitches weren't, so the stitches were a little looser. I do that often. I don't know why. Sometimes I know why, sometimes I don't. But anyway, this is what I had left out of 14 balls. That is it. Yeah, I played Yarn Chicken and I won. Isn't that fun when you win? Not so fun when you don't win. Okay guys, so that's what I had to show you today. I'm working on a tutorial. I'm always working on a tutorial. I think I have the filming part done. I just have to take pictures, put the pieces together, make sure it makes sense, because I always rewatch my tutorials. So I try to be extra careful now because I made a boo-boo in one. Anyway, this one, as all the rest, I'm checking out very carefully. I watch them, add whatever to the screen that I may have forgot or said wrong in the video, because sometimes, you're crocheting, you're counting, you're talking, you're filming, you're doing everything. So sometimes we say single crochet instead of double crochet. Yeah, it happens. So, I'm hoping that tutorial is going to be out this week. And, So thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting and sharing and all the good stuff. Oh, before I go, I have a tutorial for this top. This is one of my favorite designs that I made. It's made in one piece. I don't think I even did anything to the sleeves. No, I didn't. It's just a stitch. Yeah. So it's made in one piece. I'll link that tutorial up here or in the description box of both. So this was I don't know. I can't remember now. It's a Lion brand. Can't remember. It's a really thin yarn. But anyway, you can make it any yarn you want, any size. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.